welcome back to my channel. This is Model Monday episode 12, and I have something sort of different to share with you guys today. So this is Commander Model's 1/35 scale 90mm anti-aircraft gun, and this is American. So this is basically the American version of the Flak 88. So this is an anti-aircraft gun, usually used on defense in the Pacific, and not very much. They had them on the East Coast, but they just weren't known about because there were never any conflicts there. So first, this is a resin kit, so it's pretty good detail as you would expect. So first, there's a lot of flash. Definitely gonna take some time to remove that. So these are the supports. I'm going to build this in firing position. So the reason I'm using this kit and I'm going to build this kit is because I met a man who actually operated this gun during World War II. He served on Aishima, Makin Atoll, Okinawa, and a couple of islands that I can't remember. And he got over 30 confirmed kills. He was the rangefinder and the commander of the gun, and I'm making this for him. He is currently 100 years old, and he did not have any awards during the war, but as I said, he got 14 kills in a single day, and then the rest of his kills over the span of his entire military career. It was very interesting to meet him. I met him over the summer on vacation, and I'm going to build this for him. So there are many different pieces and pieces that you have to put together, so I have to use super glue, and I'm probably going to use the setter so I can get it done faster than I normally would. So tons of little pieces and lots of flash, which is definitely going to be annoying, but hopefully in the end it'll be worth it. I think it will. So here are the main big pieces. The gun attaches to this and this. So quite a lot of pieces considering the complexity. Hopefully it will go together well. And I've heard that it does come with extra pieces, so some of these are duplicates. Now I'm going to go over the instructions. So normally this kit is pretty expensive. I was lucky to find it for less than a third of the price, so I don't see any of the wheels that came with this kit. I'm not sure what happened there. I do have a kit that was the same kit that was given to me by a member of IPMS. It was partially built, and it does come with some of the other pieces. That was very nice of him to give me that. So first of all, we're starting off with the base. And the base, and then the gun platform that you can drive it on. Next, working on the gun traversing mechanism. Adding the barrel and the barrel mechanism. And then it talks about here if you want to make it so that it's, I guess you could say, in a traveling position. So this is a very interesting kit that I look forward to building. This is actually going to be my finished project, as I just finished my Puma. So, and I'll have a video on that pretty soon. So thanks for watching.